Basically, in last video, we took the basic quiz again, and three mistakes were made. So it's question 3, 16, and 17. So let's see if we can uh, get it right. So hay pocos alumnos en la clase, right? So it means there are some students in the class, and we can also translate it just to make sure. And we use Spanish to. Okay, this is the. Alright, so basically, there are few students in the class. Okay, so definitely we need to use I here. I'm trying to follow the same structure. And then you have muchos alumnos en la clase. So muchos alumnos en la clase means a lot of students, right? And we can see that over here. So many students in the class. So the answer should be that there are not many students in a class, right? Because the statement is there are a few students in a class. So we initially wrote I know muchos, because if you write I know muchos, there are not many students in the class. So if we go to, okay, let's see if they use focus here. Okay, I focus alumnus. There are many students. There are many students. No, what if you write no I muchos? Yeah, so there it is. So I mean I just realized that I means there are, so that in itself means that's what you call it, it's like a verb, right? So and the basic principle is you need to add no before the verb. So no I muchos alumnos en la clase. So okay, and then we had 16 and 17. So it's Carolina no estudia español. So Carolina doesn't study Spanish, right? And we can also verify that using the translation. Okay. So Juan dash estudia español. Juan. So neither does Juan. That's what it should mean. So Juan. If you write Juan no estudia español means Juan doesn't study Spanish, but that's not what we want. We want neither. That's Juan. So Juan, we initially wrote ni, and because of this, neither or nor, ni. Um, okay, so obviously we don't have any examples using ni, but what you can do is we go back to the quiz. Okay, so Carolina no estudia español. Okay, so no estudia. So if we look at this, it's just estudia. So if you write Juan ni estudia español means it would mean that Juan neither studies Spanish. neither. What if we write ni and no? Okay. So because this was obviously what we did last time. Carolina knows estudia español. Juan, I mean, if we write Juan no estudia español means Juan doesn't study Spanish. But we want neither does Juan. So definitely we need to use ni at some point. So Juan Alright, so coming back to this section, neither and no. Alright, so basically, Carolina no estudia español. Carolina doesn't study Spanish. Juan also doesn't study Spanish. So Juan needs. So what does Juan ni estudia español mean? Because if we write this right, Juan ni. Okay. So Juan no estudia español. So Juan ni. Yeah, ni or no doesn't make sense. So Juan estudia español would be Juan studies Spanish. Juan no estudia. Okay, Juan. So what is the difference between studia and estudia, right? That's what you need to see. So forget it, estudia. Okay, this is using estudia, right? And let's see if we have. Okay, this is our estudia. Okay, so let's see if we have studia here. Okay, this is not helpful. Okay, so Juan estudia español. Juan estudia español will be Juan studies Spanish. And I think you're missing something. So what if we write Juan ni es? Alright, so let's come back to it a little later. So the other one was 17. Tiene algunas revistas. So let's see what it means. Do you have... Okay, revistas is magazines.
¿Tiene algunas revistas?
Do you have some magazines? No, so algunas, so let's go back and see what is algunas, the opposite. So algun and as, right? Algun as, the form. So you're talking about second person, singular. Tiene algunas, ningunas, right? The opposite would be ningunas. Do you have some magazines? So the answer should be we don't have. So no tengo nin. So see, revista here is singular. So one magazine. No tengo ninguno. I think it should be ninguna because now we're talking as first person. So just thinking about it. Okay, so ninguno should be first person here. Okay, so because it's asking a second person. So do you have some magazine? No tengo ninguno. Okay. All right. So algunas. It was ningunas. We'll try to use ninguno. 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 It didn't work. Because we tried with ningunas. Alright, so this video is getting a little too long, so let's come back to it in the next one.